Hello, students. Today I am going to give you the final class on the chapter what I have started from the book Vistas, The Enemy. Okay, and this is the final class. You will have the every kind of detail explanation of this chapter. In my last 3 classes, I have given you the detailed summary of this chapter. Okay, so first I'm just going to give you the quick review of this chapter. This chapter is about Dr. Sadao and his wife. Both are spending their quality time outside of their house. Suddenly, a man appears out of the ocean. They ran. Hannah and Sadao ran towards him because they were doctor. And when the person came near to him, they were in shock because he was an American prisoner of war and was badly wounded and he was unconscious. Sadao is now trapped between his duty as a doctor and his loyalty towards Japan because it was the time of the Second World War and every Japanese person was a bitter enemy of American, and the unconscious, the wounded person was a Japanese, was an American. So it was a very difficult time for Sadao to make a decision to save his life or to put him again into the sea. As a citizens having of a sense of national loyalty, but this time Dr. Sadao overcame on his prejudice and he brought that man into his house. Even they have to face, they means Hannah and Sadao both have to face the defense from the domestic staff, the worker of the house like Yumi, the gardener, and the everyone, cook, everyone just refused to work in his home. They realized that doing the job in his home is risky, so they left his home, Sadao's home. But Sadao was very committed to his profession. He just treated that American soldier, okay. But Sadao knew that he would not be arrested because he was the general General Takima's doctor he was, and Takima was just having an operation from Sadao. Then Sadao and Takima plans to send the assassins to kill him, but Sadao's humanity wins over his mind and he just give a free way to escape that American from Japan. Okay, and here the story ends. Students, I have given you detailed information, detailed summary of this chapter, and I hope you have also read the story. So now we are just going to take an overlook of the characters. The first character is Dr. Sadao Hoki. He is the protagonist of the story, Japanese doctor trained by Americans. He had got his training in America. He is a dedicated surgeon, dutiful. He is a very dutiful. He is kind and he has a prejudice. Prejudice का मतलब होता है बेटा एक तरह का भ्रम बना लेना अपने माइंड में कि कुछ लोग लॉयल नहीं होते हैं. उस कैटेगरी के कुछ लोगों ने अगर कुछ गलत कर दिया है तो उसके चलते पूरी कम्युनिटी को हम लोग गलत मानने लगते हैं. This type of hypocrisy is called prejudice. He was prejudiced against the white man, फिर भी he was a good man. Next is the Hannah. Hannah is wife of Dr. Sadao Balanced woman stands with her husband, responsible, dignified and graceful. She is a very graceful woman. ग्रेसफुल का मतलब यहाँ सुंदर नहीं होता है, ग्रेसफुल का मतलब होता है कंप्लीट पर्सनालिटी. ओके. नेक्स्ट, टॉम. द नेम ऑफ द अमेरिकन प्रिजनर was Tom. He was a prisoner of war in Japan and he has a strong willpower. He wants to live. Next is General Takima. He is a funny character according to me. I have found so many funny elements in his character. So he is a funny character, famous as a war hero. No doubt he is a very brave man, but he is selfish. And because of his own profit, he forgives the mistakes of Sadao. Okay? And he is careless also. He forgets his promises to send the assassins to kill the Tom and the American prisoner. Okay? Next is Yumi, a silent character. Silent character का मतलब होता है स्टोरी में है लेकिन उसका बहुत ज़्यादा रोल नहीं होता है. Okay? Yumi and the other domestic servants are like a silent character. Okay, moving to the theme of the story. The main theme, the major theme of the story is overcome on prejudice. We have seen that the almost all the Japanese character in this story are prejudiced. But Sadao and Hana just overcomes on prejudices against the white man. Okay, it's a major theme of the story. And the next is stress on humanity over the hatred. In this story, we have also found that hatred is not so big thing. The big thing is love, the humanity, the universal brotherhood. We all are brother. Okay, and because of that, we must try to help each other. And when we will keep this kind of things in our mind, we can make this world very beautiful. Students, we are human beings and this is our duty to make the world a peaceful society, like a family place. And when we will make the world like a family place, then this will be very easy to live on this earth. Okay? Students, the whole earth, actually our own customs of India explain this kind of things, universal brotherhood, Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, like a Sanskrit shlok, Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. And this Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam is explained through this Japanese story written by Paul S. Burke. Students, I have given you one very hot kind of question. Hot means high order thinking skill, not the hot. Okay, no, that's not hot. It's a HOTS, high order thinking skill. Okay, so the question is, to hate our enemy is natural and justifiable, especially during wartime. What will you do when you will have this type of situation? This type of situation means the situations like sorry, my Zoom meeting was about to on at 5 p.m. So this was the reminder of that. So what will you do if you if you will have to face this kind of situations? Then what will you do? You will make a special answer of this question, and I am telling everyone to send the answer direct on my WhatsApp. Okay, I want to see that what do you think about this kind of situations. And you will do one more thing, you will justify the character of Sadao in this answer also. That will you connect yourself like Sadao? क्या तुम सदाओ से खुद को कनेक्ट करते हो? कभी ऐसा होगा तो तुम सदाओ के जैसा ही बिहेव करोगे, या फिर यू विल बिहेव लाइक अ टिपिकल एनिमी, यू विल किल दैट अमेरिकन बिकॉज ही इज अ ब्लडी enemy of your country and he had bombed 2 atom bomb on your country. Okay, he means his community. उसकी कम्युनिटी ने तुम्हारे देश पर 2 एटम बॉम्ब गिराए हैं, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट यू विल जस्ट टेक बैक फ्रॉम योर ड्यूटी, अपनी ड्यूटी से तुम पीछे हो जाओगे, या फिर यू विल गो विथ योर ड्यूटी फर्स्ट and then you will do some other thing. Okay, so here I am just going to submit my class on the enemy. I am just going to give you some questions also, and these are very easy questions. Try to do the right answer. Okay, and then I will meet you in the next class. Okay, hope you have तुम लोग रेटिंग्स दिया करो भाई, हमको समझ में नहीं आता है कि क्लास किस तरह का जा रहा है, डाउट होता है तो पूछते भी नहीं हो, कुछ तो करो, हम लोगों को एनर्जी कहाँ से आएगा। ओके, सो फीडबैक दो, मेरे पर्सनल नंबर पर भी दे दिया करो कम से कम फीडबैक। मेरा नंबर जो है कॉमर्स और साइंस दोनों के ग्रुप में जुड़ा हुआ है। ओके, उस पर जो है कुछ डाउट्स होते उसको पूछ लो, कुछ भी करो, लेकिन करो, नहीं तो एनर्जी कहाँ से आएगा, समझे। मेरे टीचिंग प्रोफेशन को एनर्जी मिलता है स्टूडेंट्स के फीडबैक से, कोई रिस्पॉन्स नहीं है। आई वॉन्ट रिस्पॉन्स। ओके, सो ट्राई टू मेक मी एनर्जेटिक। हैव अ नाइस डे।